Are you tired of wall imperfections? From annoying cracks to those creative graffiti decorations left by your little ones? Hi, my name is Ume, and let me introduce you to the SikaWall 720E, your ultimate solution for achieving spotless elegance.
Bid farewell to those unsightly imperfections as SikaWall 720E arrives to perform its magical makeover. Repair wall potholes, small cracks, holes, peeling paint, and even those little ones' creative graffiti decorations effortlessly. Watch in amazement as SikaWall 720E rapidly dries, creating an unbreakable bond, turning your wall into a pristine canvas waiting for the touch of pure white perfection. Experience the sheer simplicity of the application process, yielding results that resonate with professionalism, precision, and lasting excellence.
Say farewell to those persistent imperfections that have marred your walls for far too long, and open the door to a world of timeless elegance and enduring beauty with the SikaWall 720E.